I'm Nick Drury. I'm the UK Apprenticeship Lead for Amazon. But here today, I've got some of our apprentices from Amazon, and we're going to ask you a couple of questions. Okay. So, to you two actually, why did you do an apprenticeship?
So I was at uni, I was tired of it, I really wanted to just drop out, and that's exactly what I did. I found an apprenticeship through YouTube. It was like an ad that popped up. I don't know, like God speaking to me. And I was thinking, yes, I'm going to be getting a compensation for making money, why not?
Absolutely, yeah. So right time, okay. What are you, Jono?
I was at a loose end after coming out of school, so I joined Amazon as an associate in a warehouse.
Yep.
And we had one of the apprenticeship team come into our site. I went and had a sit down, and I was like, absolutely, this is where I want to go. This is where my development opportunity is.
Right, and which apprenticeship are you doing now?
Operational Department Management. Moving on to the charter.
Yeah, it's a degree, fantastic. Okay, great. So obviously for you two then, so you've done your apprenticeship, or you're doing your apprenticeship. Is it what you expected it to be?
No.
Great, you're shaking your head there. Why is it not?
I thought it would be very like analysing data at a computer all day long, 5 days a week, but that is not what it's like at
And is it data you're doing? Is that the apprenticeship you're doing? Which
no,
one?
well, I'm doing project management, so
Project
I kind of thought,
yeah,
it'd be like kind of like data, but like I'm so creative, like I can work on so many creative different tasks. I'm going to music videos, I'm behind the work of all of those, and it's so fun, like editing videos, and yeah, it's so sick.
Amazon Music then?
Amazon
You're working
Music,
out.
yeah.
Fantastic. About yourself?
Same as Grace, you know, it's so much more than what I thought it would be, and one of the biggest things for me about Amazon is the apprentice community. Everyone is so we're all there, we have socials, we all help each other out with our work, or if we're stuck on anything, and it's just really great to know that you have a lot of other people who are doing the same sort of thing, because when all your hometown friends, you know, going to uni and doing that kind of thing, it's nice to have people that you relate to and get what you're doing.
Yeah, and I think you still get that, don't you, with, like say, we're doing an apprenticeship as well, there's still a community within that employer. So it's not just about being there, you do get that social side as well, which is fantastic.
Oh wait, Nicola, I want to ask you a question. Just one question.
Yeah.
So why are apprenticeships important to Amazon?
I think apprenticeships are really key to any employer. I think if you ask any employer, regardless of Amazon, because it is about giving people opportunities regardless of background. You know what I mean? Regardless of age. Because we've got apprentices right from 18 to 70, you know, which is great because it just shows them that diversity as well. But also it is about giving people an alternative route, and it's getting skills. Like you say, you get a job, you learn, you earn, your qualification is funded. So it's a great opportunity for people. And if you like being in it, you like being in the business, you like learning on the job, then it's just perfect. So for an employer, you know, we get new talent coming into the business, learning, you get people for your future roles, what they may be, and it also helps the economy with skills. So I think it's super, super important. So if you think an apprenticeship is for you, do your research, have a look, think about what do I like? Do I like tech? Do I like non-tech? Do I like being creative? And how long do you want to do your apprenticeship for? Do you want to do a degree, which could be up to 4 years? Do you want to do maybe something which is like non-degree, which might be a couple of years? Have a real good think about it. And then have a look what kind of employer you want to work for. Global employer like Amazon, a smaller employer, or maybe an employer which meets more of your kind of interests. So again, have a look. Apprenticeships will take you anywhere. Yeah, they've taken our apprentices to Australia, to Luxembourg. People have, you know, increased and done additional apprenticeships. So it really will give you a great opportunity for whatever's next for you.